Let's learn about the vegetable addition. What is 1 plus 3? Answer is 4. One plus 1. Answer is 2. 2 plus 3. Answer is 5. 3 plus 3. Answer is 6. 2 plus 2. Answer is 4. 4 plus 4. Answer is 8. 1 plus 2. Answer is 3. 4 plus 3. Answer is 7. What is 5 plus 4? Answer is 9. What is 3 plus 0? Answer is 3. 3 plus 4, can you add them? It's 7. 2 plus 2, can you add them? It's 4. What is 2 plus 4, can you add them? Yes, it's 6. What is 4 plus 3, can you add them? 7. 3 plus 3. It's 6. 4 plus 2. It's 6. What is 6 plus 4? The answer is 10. What is 3 plus 3? The answer is 6. What is 5 plus 4? The answer is 9. What is 6 plus 4? The answer is 10. What is 4 plus 4?